Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking shower heads, and we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install a new Delta In2ition shower head. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, in front of us is the Delta 5 spray shower head. Let's go ahead and open it and organize all the parts. At this point, everything is out of the box. Check that out. There's your shower head, non-adjustable portion that will connect to the plumbing that comes out of your wall. Here's your adjustable handheld shower head and your hose. You've got your instructional manual. Verify you've got all parts: the shower head, the handheld, the hose, and very important, 3 hose washers. This one has a screen and it is a rubber seal or gasket, and you've got one inside each end of your hose. And it's important to know that the hose gaskets or seals do not have screens. Back to the instruction manual. Step number 1, install the shower head, this portion right here, to the plumbing that comes out of your wall right there. But we want to do something first. If you've got one handy, go ahead and grab a brass brush. We need to clean the thread of this plumbing right here because we just removed an old shower head that has probably been on there for 5 to 10 years. In the bathroom now, and here is the plumbing pipe that comes out of your wall that the shower head will connect to. And after removing the old shower head, you'll notice the thread has a lot of grime. And what you want to do is take that brass brush and just carefully clean the entire thread around this pipe. Get all that grime, debris, calcium buildup out of there. This is very important. After cleaning that thread, come back to your instruction manual and you'll notice C, apply plumber's tape to shower arm, which is not included. There's a right way to do this and there's a wrong way to do this. Let's obviously do it the right way. Back at the pipe, and prior to applying this plumber's tape or Teflon tape, take a dry towel and dry this thread as best as you can. All right, DIYers, the most important step in applying this Teflon tape is verifying that you are applying it in the exact same way you will be tightening your shower head on. So we're actually going to apply this clockwise. And as you apply this Teflon tape, carefully apply pressure and work this Teflon tape into that thread. And you'll want to do 2 to 3 times around, covering all of this thread. And from here, carefully pull the Teflon tape away. Verify no Teflon tape is obstructing the hole. Here's a close-up of the Teflon tape or plumber's tape. Again, clockwise, because when we install that shower head and turn it to the right to tighten it, it's going to grab a hold of this Teflon tape and tighten it even more. If we had it on the opposite direction, it would peel it up and away from the thread, and you don't want that. Again, verify no Teflon tape is obstructing this hole. Back to the shower head, go ahead and loosen the tension adjustment portion here. That's going to loosen up this. This is what you're going to twist clockwise to secure to that pipe. Position it properly as to alleviate any cross threading, and you will just secure this by hand. And that Teflon tape is going to work together with that inner rubber gasket to create that watertight seal. From here, do your best not to over tighten it. You want it pretty snug, but again, do not over tighten it because you don't want any harm caused to the internal plumbing. That would not be good. After tightening that up, go ahead and adjust your shower head as you want it and tighten the tension knob. I'm down off the ladder now. That is how we have positioned ours. We may adjust it once we get the adjustable handle in place, but let's go grab the second part. Back to the instruction manual. Step 2, install hand shower. And we're going to use both sides of the hose, connect one side to the upper shower head we just secured to the plumbing, and the opposite side to the handheld shower head. Verify your rubber gasket or seal is in place. Do your absolute best not to cross thread it. Turn it clockwise and go ahead and secure that. Back in the shower, again, verify you have that rubber seal in place. Do not cross thread this, and secure this portion of the hose. Again, you want it snug, but do not over tighten it because you do not want to harm any additional plumbing. After securing that portion of the hose, you've got your adjustable handheld shower head. You'll notice a tab on the very bottom. See that? That is going to secure into that little slot right there. Go ahead and insert it and push up. That's pretty cool. To remove it, go ahead and grab the actual handle and put your thumb. If you're left-handed, it'll be here. If you're right-handed, it'll be here, and push away. Notice how the shower head moved? To tighten that even further, carefully tighten the tension knob here. From here, we'll re-secure everything and remove the step ladder from the shower and turn everything on and test for leaks. Down off the ladder, removed it from the shower, and 3 places it can leak. The connection where it secures to the shower arm or plumbing that comes out of the wall. The second portion is one end of the hose, and the third is the portion of the hose that secures to the adjustable or handheld. Let's go ahead and turn everything on and test for leaks. I want to test here, here, and here. Just verify no water is leaking. And everything looks good. I recommend letting the shower run for about 5 to 10 minutes and come back and verify you have no visible signs of a water leak. It's been 10 minutes and I want to point out to this little knob right here. As you can see, you can shift it, and when you shift that, it controls the water flow from the shower head that's mounted to your shower arm, as well as the handheld. So you can actually run just the actual shower head. So look at this, when I remove that, nothing is coming out of the shower head. However, if I want everything alleviated from the handheld, look at this. Nothing coming out of the handheld, everything coming out of the stationary or hard-mounted shower head. Pretty neat. And by adjusting this lever to the center, water comes out both the shower head and the handheld, and no leaks. Hopefully this helps, DIYers. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.